Let's talk about view encapsulation. View encapsulation means the template and styles defined within component. If you have defined these styles within component, and these styles CSS will not be applied on other components. Let's make it more simpler. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation means the hiding attributes and elements so that you can make changes in one place without having to also make changes in another parts of application. This is encapsulation. Basically, you are hiding the elements or some code, like other files will not be affected from this code. How Angular encapsulate the code? So let's say we have hero detail component and I have applied the color styling for paragraph. I have added the red color. Like this is view encapsulation. Like we have defined the styles in the hero detail component. These styles will not be affected on hero list component. Like these file, each component will have its own scope. Each component will have its own styling, and these styling will not be affected on other components. That is view encapsulation. Let's say we have a hero list component. Inside the hero list, I have added the styling for paragraph and I have changed it to black. This CSS, this paragraph of the color black will not be affected on the hero detail component. That is view encapsulation. If you check the definition, encapsulation means hiding attributes. So these attributes or changes will not be affected on the other parts of your application. So view encapsulation means the template and styles defined within component. So the scope of styling will be its own component. Let me show you the demo of view encapsulation. Here we have hero list component. I have added the paragraph and I have added the style for this paragraph inside the hero list component.css. You will see the color is gray. Basically, this styling has been added here. There are two elements and I have added the gray style. And inside the hero detail component, let me open the hero detail component.css. You will see the paragraph and I have applied the red color. So what is view encapsulation? How Angular encapsulate the code? Let me show you. We have app hero list. Inside the app hero list, you will see the ng content -c1. The color is gray. ng content c1. Angular basically maintains a shadow DOM. So what exactly is shadow DOM? Shadow DOM allows the hidden DOM trees to be attached to the elements in the regular DOM. You can attach the unregular elements to the shadow DOM. Like if we have, let's say, ng content c1, I can attach this element by using the shadow DOM, and this will be treated as a regular DOM element. Here we have ng content c1. If you check the paragraph from the app hero detail, where is app hero detail, hero detail.component.css, I have added the red styling. You will see the ng content c2. So Angular uses this property to make a difference, and it has attached as a shadow DOM. There are three properties of view encapsulation. Let me open it here. Hero detail component.css. Encapsulation. View encapsulation. It's an enum. Angular provides three property. By default, it has added the emulated. I don't need to do it again because by default it has implemented this emulated. If you choose the none, then you will see what will happen. Now there is no shadow DOM here. Like there is no ng content c1. Let's say if I did not apply hero detail component.css, we have added the red color. Now this red styling will be applied on each paragraph. It is going to violate the concept of encapsulation. Let's say I'm going to remove that. I'm going to hide this property. Now you will see the red color for each paragraph. Aha, here is a magic. Jane Doe. Because I have added the red color inside the hero detail components. if you have paragraph in any application, like if you have paragraph in other components, it will add the red styling because we are not using the encapsulation. And their other property is native. This native property, Angular will uses the native shadow DOM. Native shadow DOM supports in many browsers. Like if you have a latest version of Chrome, this native shadow DOM will work. Here you can see that is a problem of native shadow DOM. It did not apply the red styling. Let me show you the native shadow DOM. Where did it added the stylings? Here we have shadow root. They have created the shadow root. Inside the shadow root, they have injected the styling for paragraph. So this is the concept of encapsulation. By default, it has added the emulated. I don't need to do it, so you must know this concept, encapsulation.